This is the Stabilization Super Soft Active Top, size extra large, color is black. This is what it looks like. From the back. I like it. This is the First Position Super Soft Active Pant, size extra large, black. These are the pants that go with this. They look like this. They have these little side strings. It has this waistband. It's like, I like them. I also bought these glasses. It's the Got You wrapped around sunglasses. Color's black. Oh, you're kidding me. I've been waiting for this fucking... Okay. Guess not. Next is Maya Mesh Booty Short Set. Colors blue, size is extra large. Here it is. Tank top, shorts. It has this as well. Let me see. Oh. There it is. Material, it's like mesh material. It's soft. I like it. I really like it. You can pull on this and it makes the shorts shorter. I like it. You guys like it? Next one. Next thing I have is the Off-Duty Seamless Tube Top Biker Set. Biker Short Set. Extra large. Color is light gray.